You guys said you wanted to see some of this cleaning stuff. We're gonna pressure off the trailer. We're gonna start doing a bunch of work to it. We got some metal work, new tires being put on it, some new boards. So we're gonna clean this all off and then we're gonna go at it. So I'm gonna go grab the stuff and then we'll start. Call. We got the super clean foaming degreaser. It's biodegradable. We're gonna try it out. Got the hat. I feel like that guy from OxyClean. Hey Joe, have you heard of super clean?
Yeah, that's the best stuff ever.
Gotta let that unthaw before I can get it off the trailer. That stuff did an awesome job. Got all the salt off, all the grime and grease. And I just want you guys to know that Super Clean did not pay me. They did not do anything. They just sent me a box and were like, hey, give an honest review on it. Use it, don't use it, whatever, here you go. I've had it for a while and today I was like, all right, perfect opportunity to use it. My buddy Joe. By the way, this is not my shop. It's one of my buddies, but he's out here in this Kubota tractor. Pushing stuff. You know, I could work a NASCAR, I just don't want it. Yeah, these tires I'm taking off because they're, they rub really weird, or weared really weird, sorry. It's hard to say that. Weared really weird, that's what I meant to say. Rather than take the risk, we're just gonna get new tires put on them. I have a tire guy, I'll take these with me tonight in the truck, and we'll go get new ones. All right, throw these in my truck. Okay, we're back here today. Got Al here with me, and to show you guys what we're gonna start on, but we're gonna be doing some metal work, replacing a couple boards and that sort of thing. So we're gonna get started on that. So this board here is pretty much fucked. So we're gonna be replacing that. And last time all we did was we used just, it was PT, pressure treated? Yeah, we just used pressure treated on it. So we're gonna go grab one of those and then we're gonna be fixing these. These are where the lights hold up. So what we're gonna do, clean this up, get some metal on top of it, patch it all up, make it so it's all good. And then the same thing to the opposite side, but then what we're also doing over here is this piece here is a little flimsy. So what we're gonna do is just take a sheet and then we're gonna just cover that over or just weld this one back because like me and Al were saying that this trailer needs to last us just another year and then we're good. Then we'll buy another one the year after. But there's still a year left in this one. So we're just gonna do the most, obviously to make it 100% safe and do it right, but I don't wanna put too much into it where I'm not gonna get that return back out of it. So yeah, we're gonna make it safe, make it usable, and we'll get after it. The problem with these fucking old trailers is shit over the years gets fucking seeds and stuff on them. Got her. Got it. Oh. Beauty. All right, we're gonna go grab some wood and we'll be back. All right, we got to grind off just these screws, so we'll get going on that. Safety glasses. Might be a little long.
Why?
I'm like just this side of it.
That should be okay. I left a little.
See, even the coal in Canada affects our lumber. I mean, there are yards that have wood inside, but yeah, we shop local. While I was doing that, I'm gonna see if I can't get some rust out of this thing. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Oh, baby! Oh, so what the fuck were you saying before about the cutting out? Oh, yeah. I'm brutal to work with. And I got that on camera in slow motion. Plasma cutter. So you just squeeze? And like, am I holding it above it? Yeah? Yeah, but that's better than a torch. Oh yeah. Wow, that's cool. Yeah. All right, so we ended up getting these done. I'll show you guys. So we got this one done here. This side on the other side was bad, but this side's good. So we did that, put a piece in there. And then we walked over, did this side. We put a sheet here, redid one of these. So I'm gonna be painting these black. Wow, look at that angle I can get. We're gonna be painting these black. So I'm gonna leave the lights out for now. But turned out really nice. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I got the tires with me. I'm gonna take them back and bring them with me, bring them to the tire guy's shop. And then I have to be back at the yard in half an hour because I got a premiere video, the plowing video. I'm hoping that by the time this is up, obviously it's up, and I'm hoping you guys enjoyed that. But what we're gonna do here quick is I kind of roughly clean this out. And I know I probably could go to town way more on it, but what we're gonna do is just cut off a piece of that metal and just set it in there, not bolt it down or weld it. Because that's where we store all our chains and straps and stuff. So just to kind of clean it up and then make it so that at least there's something nice and solid, not rusted out and stuff. If people go in and grab something, they're not gonna cut themselves. So it's kind of a safety thing. So we're gonna put that in there, and then I'll drill some holes into it so that the water can leak out of it and that doesn't end up happening, but that's from rust and stuff like that. But we're gonna cut her up here, do that, and then do a rough cleanup, come back tomorrow. Hopefully the new tires are done, do some painting, and then the trailer should be done.
Cut the bear traps or anything, right?
You don't wanna cut the trailer? That turned out nice. Look what Al did here, I'll show you. We're getting into custom metal work here now. KWC said we need one that says subscribe. Hey, by the way, if you guys aren't subscribed, do that. Do it. And we're back at the yard, and it's the day after that we've done that. There's still stuff to do on the trailer, so that's why I kind of left the video, and then I was watching the footage. I'm like, I didn't even summarize what we're going to be going back to doing. So I got new stickers, DOT stickers for it. I got paint. We're going to be going back and doing it, but I wanted to edit up this video and give you guys something to watch for Friday. And I want you guys to let me know what you guys kind of thought of the video. I know it's completely different style than what I'm used to. Not crazy editing and stuff like that, but I know that some people are interested and enjoy just kind of watching stuff get done work-wise in the shop and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys did end up enjoying it. Our 170, I just filmed some drone shots of it leaving the yard. It's headed out to a job that we're doing next week. So the 20-ton shovel's moving. Sorry, 17. You guys always hate when I say 20-ton. It's really like 18.5, 19 ton. It's headed out next week. We're starting another job next week, so you guys will see a ton of that. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, because we're gonna get some dirt slinging, some slow-mo shots. It's gonna be fun. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and just have an awesome weekend. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true ones, the true Patriots channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, weld her up. Why weld her up? Well, Al was welding her up. I was using a bit of the plasma cutter, but I kind of left that up to Al because I'm not the best kind of guy doing metal work. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, I want you guys to comment down below, weld her up. I appreciate you guys. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh. All right, guys, safety first. Merry Christmas. Whoa! Woo! Merry Christmas, baby!